सर
तुमचा म्हापसाचो कार्यकर्ता मेळावो जालो कसो कितें
म्हापसा कार्यकर्ता मेळावो जालो आमकां खबर आसा फाटले 2-2.5 म्हयने जाले पूर्ण गोंयभर हो मेळावो प्रत्येक मतदारसंघा भितर घडटा निमणे आयज मे म्हणून आमकां दिसलें आमचें पयलीं जातलें म्हणून शहर आसना कारणाक पूण कांय कारणाक ते फुडें धुकल्लें परत आमचे मागीर 2 दारी शेड्यूल जाले पयले आमचो इजोलीन आसा पोप तो आमकां सोडून गेलेलो आसा तेजे उपरांत रोखडेच आमचे इंडो पाकिस्तान वॉर चालू आसलें त्या कारणाक परत आमकां फुडें धुकलचें पडलें निमणे आयज तारीख गावले उपरांत आमी सगळे जाण एक जावन हो मेळावो आयज घडोवन हाडलो हॅपी टू रिपोर्ट ऑलमोस्ट 900 number of people that were here for this program hosted by our new president Bab Damu Naik along with old president Bab Sadanand Tanawade, Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, along with my new Mandal President Bab Yogesh Pedekar, तेजे दोन्ही जनरल सेक्रेटरी यशवंत गोंडलकर आणि हनुमंत वारंग तशेंच दयानंद कारबोडकर असले रुपेश कामत असले आणि बाकीचे सगळे उत्तर गोंयचे सगळे मेंबर कार्यकर्ता मेळावो म्हटल्यार हे 5 वर्सांनी एकदा घडटा एंड इट इज नायस टू बी एबल टू गेट एवरीबडी टुगेदर खूब टायम जाला आमी सगळे जाण मेळोंक ना म्हाका याद येता 2019 जेन्ना हांव आमदार पयले फावटी जाल्लो तेन्ना हो कार्यक्रम इतले व्हडले स्केलीचेर जावंक ना बट हॅपी टू बी एबल टू होस्ट सच अ बिग इव्हेंट विथ सो मच लव एंड सपोर्ट फ्रॉम ऑल द कार्यकर्ते हांव मुद्दाम सांगूंक सोदता जितले लोक आहले ते खरे आमचे कार्यकर्ते आहले देर वॉज नो अदर इन्विटेशन एक्सटेंडेड टू एनी अदर पर्सन अदर देन आमचे इमिजिएट कार्यकर्ते सो प्रत्येक बुथा वयले एक 25 जाणांची इन्विटेशन गेल्ली 42 booths into around 1,200 odd invitations had gone out 900 people came. I think it's a very good turnout and that shows the dedication and the support towards the party and dedication towards Mapsa constituency over the last 20-25 years that we see.
जसं की डेव्हलपमेंटाची उलयतलो आयज त्याच्यामध्ये बस स्टँड जो आसा तो रिनोवेशन करपाचो म्हणटा
बस स्टँड जो आसा our department, transport department is taking it under central scheme. So Mapsa, Panjim as well as Margaon bus stand. These 3 bus stands are being taken up by central government. Amcha Honorable Mantri Padmavin Budino has assured on the floor of the house that this project is being taken up by the central government. So there is a very good plan. I have just seen a small section of it, but as it gets finalized, I believe there is a private partner who is going to come on board and set up the entire bus stand. With regards to other infrastructure, right now we are completing a major water pipeline overhaul in Mapsa, Angod commercial area, आमचे market area, तशेंच गणेशपुरी, Ekta Nagar, Karaswada, all these areas there is a new water pipeline coming. We can also see infrastructure of overhead tanks and one big tank at Dattawadi that will take care of all the regions. Split Mapsa into 4. There is one tank at Kolwale boundary next to Kolwale jail that will take care of Kuchilim and Karaswada. There is one tank in Ganeshpuri that will take care of Shelpe Duler. There is one tank at the court area Altin that will take care of Ganswada and lower part of Angod as well as upper part of Altin. Tashet Dattawadi, which is the biggest tank, that will take care of the rest of Mapsa. So हे उदकाचो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो आसा आमकां खबर आसा वार्षिक उदकाचो विशय जो येता लेस सप्लाय वी हॅव क्रिएटेड इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर टू होल्ड वॉटर जेन्ना आमकां प्लांटा वयल्यान इश्यूज येता we see there is a breakdown, we see power fluctuation, pumping जायना, water pipeline is disrupted. खंय ना खंय आमकां storage करपा खातीर कांय provision नासलें. These are basically hand to mouth in Mapsa constituency. With this new infrastructure, we will be able to cater a stop-gap mechanism so that we will take up more tanks. आणि ऑनरेबल मंत्री बाब सुभाष शिरोडकर म्हापशा भितर आयिल्लो तेन्ना तेंच्यांनी सजेस्ट केलें खंय जागो आसा जाल्यार आपल्याक म्हापशा खातीर नाल्यार म्हापशा आनी शिवोले खातीर एक स्पेशल प्लांट घालपा खातीर सरकार तयार आसा सो वी आर इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ लोकेटिंग दॅट लँड टू प्रोवायड टू WRD सो दॅट वी कॅन हॅव आवर ओन water treatment facility that will take care of Mapsa constituency as well. Amka khabar asa Mapsa is growing, being very close to Mopa Airport, and the new infrastructure being the first city as you come in from the border we need to create an infrastructure that will be sustainable. लोकां खातीर long term जो आमचो focus जो आसा, that is why we have concentrated on not superficial development but development in terms of power infrastructure. जर आमी पळोवपाक गेल्यार फाटलो एक पावस we have seen the first phase of underground cabling taking place. खुबशे जाग्यांनी people have reported stable power supply during monsoon without any interruption. Of course interruptions आसले but not on the scale हाजे पयलीं जशें जाताले त्या स्केलीचेर नासले, खूब कमी हितून आयलेले आसा. आनी आतां पूर्ण इलेक्ट्रिकल केबलिंगाचें काम सोंपलेलें आसा. वी एक्सपेक्ट दिस मॉन्सून टू बी इवन स्मूथर. हांव मुद्दम सांगूं सोदता की देर वील बी अनदर फेज ऑफ अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग दॅट वील टेक प्लेस बट दॅट वील हॅपन एट अ लेटर डेट. म्हाका दिसना इतले बेगीन घेवपाचें आसा. वी कॅन ऑल्सो सी द सिवरेज कनेक्शन सिस्टम that has taken place in Gaosaoda. I think they have completed around 35 or 40 houses of connections. They have started the plant and they are working with whatever they are getting. So जे infrastructure उलयता, the basic infrastructure of water, power, roads and sewage, we are trying to address that before we go into any visual or superficial development.
म्हापशेंचे रोडाचे आतां